Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Step inside this modern yet cozy New York apartment with all white interiors, and everything seems to step aside as the eye is instantly drawn to the magnificent city views outside. This is the power of minimal interiors done right. Minimalism, to me, isn't about stripping a space down to the bare essentials, but about thoughtfully curating individual pieces to contribute to a cohesive whole, says NYC interior designer Rushda Hakim. Hakim's design uses pale, neutral shades and natural materials to complement the fluidity of the Olympia building's sail-like form and the movement of the river below,